So if you want to bear witness to all my failures in life, then you keep watching.
Since a baby in a tummy, mama knew I was great. They can play me like a dummy, they know what not to take. Fuck these niggas, cause the money, only thing I'ma chase. Time is precious, that's the only thing I try not to waste.
I haven't even been to sleep yet. My sleep schedule is still a mess. Okay, so in the picture, she has like a little sparkly thing, but I don't have anything sparkly to go on my head, so I just threw a headband on. I got this new job, right? It was at Dollar Tree. I probably should have looked it up before accepting the job, but whatever. So my first day at the job, you know, things were going pretty smoothly. I was just training on the computer. The lady told me to come get her when I came to like a stopping point or something. And so I went up there and she was like, what do you need? What do you want? And I'm like, you told me to come do something at 7, but I forgot. She was like, oh yeah, take your break. So I go in the back, and before I take my break, I finished a lesson that I was doing because I wanted to get out of the way. I finished a lesson I was doing, and then I took my break. And they're weird about breaks. Like, they're so weird about breaks. Like, you don't get to choose. Like, at Kmart, you get to choose, like, when you wanted to take your break. So after I was done with the lesson I was on, the break room, they didn't even have a break room. It was just the computer and then a table right here where I was supposed to take my break at. All in the same area. I just sat in the chair because, like, why even move if I had already ate because I was hungry. And I told her that. I told her I already ate. But she was like, yeah, but you gotta take your break anyways. Okay, whatever. I was watching something on YouTube and I had one headphone in, like this, just watching it. And the lady comes, she storms in there, she's like, you're not supposed to be on that. And I'm like, but I'm not confrontational. So I'm like, okay. She was like, you need to be doing your work. Like, girl, this is not school. Calm down. I'm only training. So she went to the bathroom and I put my phone on the desk, face down, and I was doing the work. And she came back. She was like, no, that doesn't need to be there at all. And I'm like, I'm not even on my phone. Like, my phone was literally on the table face down the whole time. She came there once before, but she never had a problem with that then. Like, you're not about to tell me when I can't be on the phone. Like, you should have made that clear that I wasn't supposed to be on my phone. I'm training. Like, I'm on the computer. This ain't the SATs. Like, what are you doing? I keep telling people I was literally on my break. How am I breaking the rules if I'm on my break? I don't understand. I do not understand. I could see if I was on the floor and like constantly on my phone because that's really unprofessional. But I'm in the back, in the stock room. She was just doing the most. Like, she had a nasty attitude. I could tell because the first time she came back there and I was doing the work, she was like, did you fall asleep? I was like, no, I've been doing the work the whole time. Like, she had a smart mouth and I really wasn't feeling it. I'm just like so frustrated. Like, I don't care who you are, don't yell at me. Do not yell at me. As soon as you start yelling at me, I automatically shut down because I'm not about to raise my voice over you. So yeah, I just started crying because I was like really frustrated. And I was just pissed off the rest of the day. When you go to work at a new place, there's always people who are gonna try to like assert their dominance for some reason. So anyways, after that, I'm like, cool, you know what? Tomorrow's a new day, because I've been trying to do this whole like this positive thinking thing. I've been trying to like really be like optimistic and change my whole mindset during my whole break from social media and everything. So I've been really trying, like really trying. I walked in there, I clocked in, and immediately the bullshit started. Told me that I need to start sweeping. Now that wasn't in my job description, but I went along with it because, I mean, if you tell me to do something, I'm gonna do it. Like, I was basically cleaning the registers and everything, like the little checkout points. I had to lift up the rugs, do the whole floppy thing, sweep, dust everything down. But I guess they're not like Kmart. They don't have a janitor. They don't have like a team of janitors coming in every morning to clean. Yeah, so after I'm done doing that, I'm like dripping sweat. And then after that, she was like, yeah, you need to get on the register. Nobody trained me yet. You know, I know how to work a register, but every store's register is pretty different. They were annoyed because they had to train me. Like, what did you think? Y'all act like y'all never had anybody new come work for y'all. Like, what? So yeah, that was really annoying. But I picked it up really quickly. Like, she only trained me for like 5 minutes, and then I was on my own for the rest of the day. The customers really liked me. And it was easy, so boom. I learned how to do the balloons, how to blow up the balloons with helium, stuff like that. But everybody there, all the co-workers, really just seemed like they were annoyed by my presence for some reason, which I don't know why, because first of all, I'm really quiet. Thus far, I've done every single thing you've told me to do. 7 passes. 8 passes. It's around like 8:30. I'm like, dang, when they gonna let me go on my break? She finally lets me, and I have to clock out. Who to take a 10-minute break? Yes, I said 10-minute break. I had to clock out to take a 10-minute break, and I barely had time to eat because I'm calling my nana, telling her everything they making me do. Yes, I am spoiled. I will admit I'm very sheltered. I am very spoiled. I am aware of my flaws. Yeah, so I quickly scoff my salad down. Oh my gosh. They started telling me about bank runs. Like, y'all probably should have told me that before, because what if my ride said no? You know, that's something you tell somebody before. She was like, yeah, so you might want to text your ride and tell them that we're doing a bank run. And I'm like, well, I would text my ride, but I'm not allowed to be on my phone. And then that's when she was like, yeah, I know. She was like, yeah, Jean told me that you were on your phone back there. I was like, yeah, I was literally on my break. So I don't know how I'm breaking protocol if I am on my break. She was like, yeah, I don't know. And she was like, I would have thought that she would have trained you. Well, you know, she didn't really want to talk to me. She was like, yeah, I know. She was really mad. Mad for what? Mad? Why are you mad? Woman, I don't know you. Why are you mad that me, little old me, is on my phone in the stock room on my break? Why are you mad? Why are you wasting all this time? You literally could have trained me yesterday, but you decided not to because you had a stank ass attitude. Up until that point, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna come here tomorrow and I'm gonna try my best to smile in these people, bring joy to give back to my community. Positively. I want to do right. This job is gonna be hard. It's gonna be difficult. Do this. I can make a difference. And all the other stuff that I could, you know, whatever. And then as soon as she said that the lady was mad, I was like, nah, you're done. You're done. You're done here. You're done here. We can go home and we can go to sleep. We can sleep in because you ain't coming back here. Like, why are you mad, lady? The nerve. Because if I would have stayed at that job, I probably would have caught a charge, honestly. She was even smart to my nana, and I don't play when it comes to my nana. Every single thing that you told me to do, I did it quickly. And I hope I see her again. I'm gonna go in that store one day when I'm looking cute, and I'm gonna tell her, you might want to get that wart on your lip checked. I know I can't quit every job where people are being like rude to me. I understand that. What I endured at Kmart was different because I had people in my age group who I could vent to. I do plan on getting another job soon. I know my worth, and I'm not gonna let people constantly like talk down to me. Like, I know I can't, like I said, I can't quit every job where people are, you know, mean to me or whatever, because I know I sound like super like spoiled right now. I know how I'm supposed to be treated. So the eyebrows are done. I'm gonna get my Smashbox primer because everything on my face is about to be glossy, but I want a really like matte whatever face. Now I'm gonna do my contouring. I'm not gonna talk through that. I'm just gonna do that real quick so we can get on to this next stuff. Okay, so while this is cooking in the kitchen, we're gonna go up top. I want my red to really pop, so I'm gonna do a base of this. I'm gonna take this red right here. It is the Baby Talk from ColourPop. Nothing fancy, we're just gonna see what it's about. So I'm basically just packing it on there. This is like really on the pink side. I'm going to get in this Wet n Wild paint palette that I'm not supposed to be putting on my eyes, but I will anyway. Some of this orange. I think I'm using the wrong brush for this, honey. I think I'm gonna get the red. I messed up my under eye. All right, to darken it, we will use black. And I don't want to, but oh! Whatever. Y'all already know all my makeup tutorials be a mess because I don't know what I'm doing, but y'all insist on me continuing to do tutorials when I don't know what I'm doing because y'all won't watch anything else that I do. So tutorials it is. I'm gonna let that chill for the last time, hopefully. Doesn't look as elegant as hers. I'll tell you that right now. It's an absolute fool, I tell you. Burgundy and goldish kind of whatever. I think I'm gonna put some glitter. I know, doing the most, but she has a glitter. Gold one, I have a burgundy one, and I have a crystal one. I'm gonna mix it all up. All right, and lastly is the lip. She has on a nude lip. So everybody knows how I loved my ColourPop lip, but they discontinued it. I still have it, but I try not to use it. It's called Maison, and it's part of the NYX lingerie line, but they have a gloss now. And then they have a lighter one called Sable. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure to leave me comments because I don't get enough comments, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!